Protein bars have been quite popular in recent years as a convenient and supposedly nutritious snack alternative. These bars are designed to help busy people nourish their bodies and live an active lifestyle. While protein bars are convenient and promise nutritional benefits, it is important to be aware of the potential adverse effects of your health. This is mainly due to their ingredient list. This video will go over the many side effects that can result from regular consumption of these seemingly harmless snacks, highlighting some of the hidden downsides that may invalidate their health claims. Number 1. Gain weight. Eating protein bars may cause weight gain, which is an unexpected reaction of the body. Although protein is required for muscle growth and repair, excessive intake can lead to increased calories. Many protein bars are supplemented with sugars, fats, and carbs to improve their taste and texture. These additions can greatly boost the caloric content of the bars, making it easier to overeat without even realizing it. Number 2. Develop metabolic illnesses. Consuming protein bars on a regular basis may result in the development of metabolic illnesses. Sucralose and aspartame, which are artificial sweeteners found in some bars, have been related to metabolic disturbances and an elevated risk of metabolic syndrome. Metabolic problems such as insulin resistance and dyslipidemia can have long-term consequences for a person's overall health and well-being. Number 3. High in calories. Protein bars, while marketed as a healthy snack option, can be surprisingly very caloric. While protein is necessary for muscle repair and maintenance, an excessive protein consumption may result in an elevated calorie burden. Some protein bars contain 400 or more calories per serving, making them similar to meals. Consuming those high-calorie bars on a regular basis without considering their contribution to daily caloric intake may result in weight gain and impede weight loss. Number 4. May contain artificial components. Protein bars often contain a wide range of ingredients, some of which may be artificial or highly processed. Protein bars typically include artificial additives, preservatives, and flavorings. This improves taste and extends shelf life. These additives may have a negative impact on health, including allergic reactions, gastrointestinal problems, and elevated inflammation in the body. Number 5. Expensive. Another disadvantage of using protein bars as a frequent snack option is the financial costs they can incur. Protein bars are typically more expensive than full meal sources of protein. Over time, the expense of routinely consuming protein bars can add up, potentially straining one's finances. Consider more cost-effective options such as natural sources of protein like lean meats, eggs, or legumes. Number 6. High in protein. Protein is necessary for a variety of body activities, including muscle building and repair, but it should be consumed in moderation. Protein bars frequently contain large amounts of protein, which may surpass a person's daily requirements. Excessive protein intake can strain the kidneys and liver, potentially leading to long-term health problems. Number 7. Sugar or artificial sweeteners. Many protein bars contain additional sugars or artificial sweeteners to improve their flavor. These sweeteners can cause sugar cravings, alter blood sugar levels, and contribute to weight gain. Furthermore, artificial sweeteners may have a harmful impact on gut bacteria, compromising digestion and general gut health. Number 8. Digestive issues. Some protein bars may contain a lot of fiber or sugar alcohols, such as sorbitol or maltitol, to increase their nutritional profile. These components can cause digestive problems such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially in people with sensitive stomachs. While protein bars may appear to be a quick and healthful snack alternative, it is crucial to be aware of their potential adverse effects. Despite their popularity and marketing claims, protein bars might have a number of downsides that negate the health benefits. For starters, eating protein bars without considering how many calories it contains may lead to weight gain due to added chemicals that enhance their caloric burden. Also, certain bars may contain artificial sweeteners, which can induce metabolic issues and harm general health. The high calories in protein bars can hinder weight loss efforts and may be more expensive than whole food sources of protein. Furthermore, the use of unnatural substances, additives, and preservatives in these bars might have a negative impact on health, perhaps triggering allergies, gastrointestinal disturbances, and inflammation. Excessive protein intake, which is commonly present in protein bars, can strain the kidneys and liver, resulting in long-term health concerns. In addition, the use of added sugars or artificial sweeteners can upset blood sugar levels, contribute to sugar cravings, and harm gut health. It is important to consume protein bars with caution and in moderation. It's also better if you make your own. Here is a healthy recipe that includes simple, healthy ingredients and very easy to make. The ingredients that you'll need are rolled oats, dates, maple syrup, raisins, and almonds. The first step is to preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Second step is to add oats, dates, peanut butter, maple syrup, and vanilla in a food processor. Process until mixture is finely grounded and starts leaving the sides of the food processor bowl. Step number 3, transfer the mixture into a large bowl and add dry fruits and almonds. Mix well to combine. Step 4, press bar into a greased casserole pan. And last step, bake the bars for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, your own homemade protein bar that's not only healthy but also delicious. Protein bars can be a convenient option in certain situations, such as post-workout recovery or as an occasional snack, but they should not be used as a primary source of nourishment. A well-balanced diet rich in whole foods will supply a more diverse spectrum of nutrients while reducing the potential side effects of eating too many bars. So opt for whole food protein sources such as lean meats, eggs, and legumes for a more balanced and natural nutritional composition. And that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.